Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you how to play a B7 open chord. A great chord to play, especially when you're playing the blues. Now, this is what the chord looks like and sounds like. Now, a seventh chord is made up of your first, third, fifth, and seventh flatted. So for B7, that would be your B, D sharp, F sharp, and A. Now, a great chord to play, and let me show you how to play it exactly. So I'm going to hang out here on the first and second frets. I'm going to take my middle finger and place it on the root note there on the fifth string, second fret, and play that B. Then I'm going to place my index finger on the fourth string, first fret, and play that D sharp. Then I'm going to place my ring finger on the third string, second fret, and play that A. Then that second string, we're just going to play that open. That's your open B. Then place your little finger on the second fret of the first string to play that F sharp note. And we're not going to be playing that sixth string or the D string. You can kind of mute it with your middle finger there on the fifth string, second fret. You can kind of touch that sixth string with it and mute it. Or you just don't play it. So when you put it all together, this is what it looks like and sounds like. So work on playing those notes individually and practice your strumming with it so it sounds nice and clean. And again, check out my other videos on other open chords and alternative open chords and keep on jamming.